Let's talk about chronic feline sneezing. There are lots of different reasons a cat would sneeze and sneeze chronically. The first thing to know is you need to get a diagnosis from your veterinarian. If your cat is chronically sneezing, take your cat to a clinic and have them diagnose what the cause is and what's going on. So possibilities include things like allergies. Cats can be allergic to pollen and inhale that type of pollen even on the inside of the house. They can be allergic to dust, all sorts of things like that. Litter is also a source sometimes of chronic feline sneezing. The dust in litter, when they go in there, especially scoop or try to bury things in their litter, they're breathing that dust in. That can create chronic sneezing. Foreign objects or foreign bodies in the nasal passages can do that as well. Perfumes, incense, potpourri, all sorts of things. Other things we typically associate with chronic feline sneezing would be, types of carpeting or carpet cleaners, aerosols, and one of the biggest ones probably is going to be candle or cigarette smoke. So all those types of things can cause chronic feline sneezing, some of which can easily be diagnosed and taken care of. Your veterinary clinic can guide you through that and tell you, is this an infectious sort of thing that needs antibiotics, or is this an allergy type of thing that needs antihistamines or removal of that allergen from the environment.